Hi everyone, this is CyberDogs. Welcome to another video. Let's get into the video. Today's topic is reconnaissance or recon and footprinting or footprinting. Reconnaissance or footprinting, both are same. What is reconnaissance? A recon is an important steps is an exploring an area to steal confidential information. Confidential information means passwords, data births, or stealing employees, what you will say, financial database or something, etc. It's also plays a key role in pen testing. A proper recon would provide a detailed information and open doors to attackers for scanning and attacking all the way. By using a recon, an attacker can directly interact with the potential open ports, services and running, etc. Open ports means something HTTP, FTP or something, or attempt to gain information without actively engaging into the network. The phase of hacking, reconnaissance or footprinting. Footprinting means, imagine you are a well-known ethical hacker and you get a job to check a web application for vulnerability. You will get the name of the organization whose website you have to test it. How do you start to test the website of vulnerability? You start by gathering information about this website. This is known as footprinting. Footprinting is a part of reconnaissance phase of ethical hacking, in which you gather information about the system or application. The main aim of the footprinting is to gather as much of information as possible about the system application to narrow down the area of unknown technical of attacks. Footprinting is considered one of the most important phases of the ethical hacking. Let's talk a movie, a plot of example. Suppose you are watching a bank robbery movie. There are people who have planned to rob a bank. Let's they move like movie. That's movies like Ocean's 11, The Italian Job, or Fast and Furious. Do the character directly buy guns and mask and enter the bank to rob it? No. If they did this, they would be able to rob the bank successfully. They need a proper plan on how to enter the bank and how to handle the security and prepare an escape plan and to plan the robbery. They need to observe the certain things about the bank and the way to operate it, how the security works, etc. Knowing about the bank plays an important role in making the plan. For example, if in footprinting, gathering the target information by using internet, remote access, extent. In internet, we can get the information from domain name, network blocks, IP address, open to net, TCP, UDP services, etc. Remote access, which means R ROC something, REOC something. It gathered information such as phone numbers, remote control, telnet, and authentications. Similarly, knowing about the system and application is very important for ethical hacking because it will let you know what type of vulnerability can find and what attacks are suitable. There are two types of reconnaissance: one active and passive. Active, some of the examples are later, but I mostly prefer these types only. Inactive, ping, traceroute, netcat. Ping to find IP address is used to check IP connectivity between two network devices, and it is often used in network troubleshooting also to find IP address of the website or system, and we can see in workspace. So let's get into traceroute. Traceroute is a network tool used to show the route taken by the packet across an IP address. This one This tool is used to track in a real time the pathway taken by the packet on an IP network from the source to destination, reporting an IP address of all routes it pinged in between. Traceroute also records the time taken for each hop of the packet makes during the route to the destination. And the next thing is netcat. Is the computer networking utility for reading from and writing to network connection using TCP or UDP. This command is designed to be a dependable backend that can be used directly or easily driven by the other program and scripts also. And then passive. In passive, there are three things: who is lookup, what web, and recon ng. Who is lookup? It comes under the passive types. Who is lookup is a tool used to find out information such as DNS, domain names, name servers, and IP address, etc. And also, it provides the information on the owner of a domain name. Let's use who is lookup to find some more information about the website in the workspace section. Recon ng. Recon ng is a tool with an interface similar to Metasploit. Running Recon ng from the command line, you will enter a shell live environment where you can configure options, perform recon, and output results into different reporter types. I will perform some workspace. I will perform some codes in the workspace section. Let you see in this.